Hello friends, I'm Nishik and in this video I'll teach you how to make a profitable and professional micro job and freelance marketplace website like Fiverr, Freelancer and Upwork.com. Now this website that we're going to create in this video has all the important features and functionalities that a professional micro job website must have. Let me first show you this thing. So first of all, this is the website that we'll be creating in this video. If you see from top to bottom, this is the website. You can see there are several menu items that we have created. I'll show you about each menu item that we have over here. Then we have this option over here. You will see whoever it is, whether it's the freelancer or the employer, they can see this thing, they can go to their dashboard. So in this website, we have front-end dashboard, both for our freelancers and also for our employers. Employers are basically customers who are getting these freelance services. So I'll explain you about this dashboard, front-end dashboard and all the features in this. First, let's again come back to the home page. Let me explain you about the main feature. Let's scroll down. If you see over here, you have different services over here. Now these are the freelance services. So basically what happens in a freelance micro job website, different people or freelancers will come on your website and they will submit their services. So somebody, for example, is a web developer, they create different types of website, they will submit their service. Somebody is doing voiceover, they will submit their service. Somebody is writer, they will submit their service. Somebody is maybe a musician, they will submit their services. And people will come, visitors and customers will come on your website, and if they're looking for any particular service or any particular freelancer to do any job, any small job, contract based job, they can hire that person. For example, right now I'm recording this video. Now once I'm finished recording, I need somebody to edit this video, so I can hire somebody for video editing on this website. Similarly, maybe if I want to create an e-commerce website or maybe a business website or a membership website, then I can come to this website and I can hire somebody to create a website for me. Let me show you how that thing works. So first of all, these are the services. You can see who is this service person. This is the person, Ali, Robert, Thomas, Nair. These are the people who are providing these freelance services. You can see the pricing, reviews and rating, the average rating, and what is the title. If you want, you can add to favorites so that whenever you log in next time in this website, you can see all the favorited items that you have. First of all, I'll open this thing. So maybe I want to go for this service. I want to create an e-commerce website. I want to hire this person, Nayyar Sheikh, who will do this thing. So this person says, I'll create an e-commerce website for you, and the delivery time is 7 days. So this person will create an e-commerce website within 7 days. English level, you can see whether this person is fluent or basic in English. You can see some works. This person can just, they can create screenshots or images like this to showcase their portfolio or to showcase their previous works. Then if you scroll down, they can also type in, complete description about what all they will be doing on your website. You can do this thing. Then after that, they can also have this frequently asked question thing. So whenever if they want, for example, when you're providing these services, if you're a freelancer, there are several questions which everybody asks. So you can do one thing, you can create a list of that and you can just answer them right away. Like what methods of payment are supported? Can I cancel anytime? How do I get a receipt for my purchase? These kind of questions. And if somebody wants to, once somebody has, hired this freelancer, then they can go ahead and rate this person, whether he was good or bad. They can do that thing. Now suppose if I want to hire this person for my service, then I can say this thing, the price is $350 to create an e-commerce website. And they also offer some additional services. Like if you want to optimize your website, SEO optimize your website, it will be additional $50. So as you can see, as soon as you select this thing, the price updates to $400. And if you want to improve your website security, you can again go ahead and select this thing. Now the total price is $450. Now somebody can click on this buy now button. If they want this thing, they will be redirected to this page. They can fill in their form. Okay, so they can fill in their name, all these things. And after that, we will see in this video, I'll show you how to integrate different payment gateways to accept online payments. Also, if you want to add some processing fees or taxes, you can do that thing. I'll show you how you can add taxes and all these extra fees if you want to do this thing. Now this is optional. If you don't want to add any taxes or processing fees, you can just remove it. It will just show you the regular price. And as I was talking about payment gateways, I'll explain you how we can integrate different payment gateways for different countries. Now different countries have different payment gateways. Like in USA, in European countries, we have Stripe payment gateway. In India, we have multiple payment gateways. like Razorpay, CC Avenue, many different PayU Money. Similarly for Pakistan, Bangladesh, different countries have different payment gateways. I'll show you how you can integrate those payment gateways on your website so that you can accept online payments. And commission is also automatically deducted. Now obviously this is $450 for example, the total price is $450. This $450 will actually come to your account, the person who is running the website, the owner of the website. So this $450 or whatever the price is, whatever the amount is, it will first come in your account, and after that you can deduct your percentage, your commission. For example, you're the website owner and you're charging like 10% or 5% or 20%, whatever you want. You can deduct your 20% or 10%, and after that rest, all the amount, you can give it or deposit that money to the freelancer's account, and you don't have to do anything manually. Everything is done automatically. Let me very quickly fill in this form and show you this thing. Alright, so here as you can see, I've just filled in some dummy details over here. And after that, once you select the payment gateway, whatever payment gateway you want, you can place an order. And once your payment is successful, it will show you this thing, your order is completed. Okay. Now from this page, I was an employer. Now let me open a new tab. I'll open a new tab, or maybe I'll open a new browser, and I'll show you what this freelancer will see. Okay. So let me do that thing. So this is the freelancer's account. You can see Nayar Sheikh. Let me refresh this page. Now this freelancer can see we have 2 in-queue services. So people have bought my services. So I can click on my services. And here you can see view in queue. This is the service. I'll be creating an e-commerce website. So I'll click on view in queue, and you can see this person. This is the one that we just did, $450. I can click on view history, and now I can chat with this person, and this person can chat with me. Okay. So this person, the employer who just hired me, they can also go to their dashboard and they can click on bought services because they bought this service, and they can click on view history. And this is the person, they hired this thing. And now this person, the employer, the one who hired the person, they can type in the message like, hello, this is and they can explain everything. This is the kind of website. These are all the features that I'm looking for. If they want, they can upload a PDF file, doc file, Word file, if they have a list of things that they want in their website. And after that, they can click on send message. Now, once this message is sent, then again, let me come back to this freelancer's website, refresh it. This freelancer will see this thing. And after a few days or maybe few hours, once they have agreed upon anything, they will start this thing. So maybe, and once they have, once this freelancer creates the project, they can deliver the project and they can say done. Okay. They can, if there is a voiceover project, they can upload that voiceover file. They can upload that audio file. If this was a writing project, this person can upload that writing file. Or if this was just a website, they can just create a website and they can see done. And they can also request this person, the employer, to mark the service as completed. Okay, so I'll just click on done and again come back. I'm just showing you in, how this works. Okay, now this employer, once the service is completed and once this employer is happy with this service, they can now change the status from hired to completed and click on update. Once they do this thing, let me again come back to this thing. Now, before I refresh this thing, as you can see earlier, it is just $0 in my account. Okay, because the service was not completed. And just now the employer has changed the status of this service to completed. Now, let me refresh this page. Now, as you can see, the amount is $427.50 because 20% of this amount, actually the total amount, including fees and all, 20% or 10%, whatever the amount is, that was deducted. I think because 20% of this amount or the total amount was deducted, it also includes the fee and all. So 20% of this total amount was deducted and rest 80% is now credited to this freelancer's account. Now this freelancer can do one thing. They can go to first they have to verify the account. The freelancer will have to verify the account. They can enter the name, contact number. They can add some details like if they have their passport number, they can enter the passport number or Aadhaar card number, whatever. They can click on submit verification. After that, they can go to statements and they can see this is the amount that they have in their account. And they can, as you can see, this is the one. Now, if they want to withdraw this fund, they can click on withdraw now. And if they want to withdraw through PayPal, bank transfer, if I want this money through PayPal or through bank transfer, I can select that and click on withdraw money. Now, as you can see, it says please verify account before withdrawing. So I'll have to verify my account. Once I verify the account, this payout request will be sent to the admin of the website, and after that how it works, how this admin will send the payout. I'll explain you that thing later on in this video. This was just a demo transaction that I just wanted to show you at the very beginning of the website, so that you get a idea about what kind of website you're creating, what all services it will have, and how this process will work. So this was the entire process. This is how everything works. Now let me very quickly show you a demo of the design of the website. The technical part we have seen how this process works. Now let's see the designing part. This is the home page. You can see you have different categories, just like Fiverr. If somebody is looking for audio or music, finance service, video animation service, writing translation service, freelance service or micro job service, they can click on this category and they can see all those services related to that. Okay, for example, let me click on design and creative. So all the services under design and creative will show up over here. All right, so this is how it works. Again, let me come back. If I want to, I can search for any particular service. For example, if I'm looking for web developer, I can just search for that and it will autofill this result and it will show me this result. Now I'll show you the dashboard later on. Then after that, we have this option. We have our hero section. If you want, if you're looking for something, you can select this thing. You can select the service and click on search. I'll show you how you can design this page, how you can design all these sections. Need something done is the next service, is the next section. Third section is your popular services section. Then after that, we have few more sections. Client section. If you want to contact this person, you can contact them. If you want to browse services or projects based on different categories, you can do this thing. If you want to see highest rated freelancers on this platform, you can see that thing. If you want to open any single freelancers account or freelancers page, this is how the freelancers page will look like. You can see the name, the average rating, about the freelancer, the educational qualification, work and experience, awards, reviews. You can see everything. You can also see if you just want to hire this freelancer, you can see the rate, $60 to $65 per hour, and you can see the location of this person, or everything in detail. If you want to hire this person, you can just click on invite and you can hire this person. If you want to chat with this person, you can even chat with this person. If you want to disable this option, obviously you can disable this option as well. Let me again come back to the home page. Then if you scroll down, we have few more sections. This is your testimonial section. Okay, all the positive reviews and ratings related to your website. And finally, we have our footer. We have a custom header and footer builder on our website. So if you want, you can design your header and footer however you want. Now single, also if you see, there are different styles of single services page. So if you open this option, if you hover this browse jobs under services, you can see there's so many different designs of displaying a service page. If you see detail version 1, you can see this is how a single service page will look like. Then after that, if you want to see another